The Commission on Elections will destroy 6 million printed ballots for the 2025 elections following a recent Supreme Court order stopping the poll body from declaring a senatorial aspirant as a nuisance candidate. COMELEC Chairman George Garcia says they immediately stopped printing ballots in compliance with the temporary restraining orders issued by the Supreme Court on Tuesday, January 14, on the various cases of 5 election aspirants. Garcia says the 6 million ballots needed to undergo inventory.
Yan pong 6 na milyon na balota ay kinakailangan ma-inventaryo, ma-i-report namin sa COA, kapagkat kinakailangan po natin bayaran yan, siyempre, yung na-imprentang yan ng mga balota. At the same time, hihingi po kami ng pahintulot sa COA. Ang mga balotang ito, maliban sa i-secure, ay sirain na kaagad ng COMELEC. Isesred po natin ang lahat ng yan, hindi po sunog. Sapagkat para mawala po yung agam-agam na baka magamit sa isang halalan o sa darating na halalan.
Out of the 5 temporary restraining orders issued by the Supreme Court, Garcia says that they were not anticipating the case of senatorial aspirant Zubair Mustafa, who was initially declared as a nuisance candidate. The other 4 cases of election aspirants are seeking for local posts. These include former Caloocan Representative Edgar Erice, member of the Indigenous Peoples of Zambales Chito Balintay, Ilocos Sur 1st District candidate Charles Seveliano, and Florendo Richualo, who is eyeing a seat for San Juan's 1st District. According to Garcia, the COMELEC will have to amend the numbering of the affected senatorial aspirants on the ballots.
Letter M po kasi yung pangalan ng kandidatong nakakuha sa national position, sa senador na posisyon. And therefore, pag pinasok po natin, pag binilang niyo po yung sa 66 na present na kandidato, ay 12 pong senador yung nasa ilalim na maaaring maapektuhan.
The COMELEC says the printed ballots to be destroyed will cost around 150 million pesos, including the salary for employees working in the National Printing Office. The poll body began printing ballots last January 6, where Garcia previously said that around 78 million ballots will be printed. Garcia also says that the poll body has to change the election management system database, serialization of the names, and the ballot faces. Meanwhile, Garcia assures the public that this incident is part of the legal process and that the poll body remains in control of the situation.